TCP-dump, a powerful tool for network traffic analysis. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about TCP-dump, a powerful tool for network traffic analysis. TCP-dump is a command line tool that allows you to capture and analyze network packets. This can be used for a variety of purposes, such as troubleshooting network issues, testing security vulnerabilities, and monitoring network traffic. What is TCP-dump? TCP-dump is a packet capture tool that runs on Unix-like operating systems. It allows you to capture network packets and view their contents. TCP-dump can be used to capture all network traffic, or you can use filters to specify which packets you want to capture. How to install TCP-dump? TCP-dump is available for most Unix-like operating systems, including Linux, Mac OS, and FreeBSD. To install TCP-dump on your system, you can use your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you would run the following command. How to use TCP-dump? The basic syntax for using TCP-dump is as follows. The options are a set of flags that control the behavior of TCP-dump. The filter is a regular expression that specifies the traffic that you want to capture. For example, to capture all TCP traffic, you would use the following command. This would capture all TCP packets that are received on the ED0 interface. Interpreting the output of TCP-dump. The output of TCP-dump is a stream of data that contains information about the captured packets. The output is formatted in a human-readable way, so it's easy to understand. The output of TCP-dump includes the following information: the source and destination IP addresses of the packets, the source and destination ports of the packets, the protocol of the packets, the length of the packets, the time that the packets were captured. Advanced features of TCP-dump. TCP-dump has a number of advanced features that allow you to capture and analyze network traffic in more detail. These features include the ability to filter traffic based on a variety of criteria, such as the source and destination IP addresses, the ports, and the protocol. The ability to capture packets in real time. The ability to save captured packets to a file. The ability to analyze captured packets using a variety of tools. Conclusion. TCP-dump is a powerful tool for capturing and analyzing network traffic. It's a valuable tool for troubleshooting network problems, monitoring network activity, and gathering evidence for security investigations. I hope you enjoyed this video on TCP-dump. Thanks for watching.